Hi everyone. In this video, let us discuss what is Green IT. Green IT refers to the practice of using information technology in an environmentally friendly and sustainable manner. It involves the adoption of energy efficient hardware, optimizing IT infrastructure, and reducing electronic waste. So, if you are working in the IT environments, you would be using a lot of devices like laptops, desktops, servers, network routers, switches, and many other network components which could be consuming a lot of electricity in your IT environments. So, with the help of Green IT, we can adopt energy efficient hardware. It could be laptop or desktop or any other network component, and also we can optimize IT infrastructure and reduce electronic waste. So this is Green IT. So the whole goal of Green IT is to use information technology in an environmentally friendly and sustainable manner. Now, let's see some benefits of green IT. The very first thing is reduce carbon footprint. Green IT practices can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of organizations by reducing energy consumption and promoting the use of renewable energy sources. So, carbon footprint or carbon dioxide, when we use all these components, when it releases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it can cause a lot of harm to the environment. So, with the help of green IT, we can reduce carbon footprint, which is really good for the environment. And the second benefit is cost savings. Green IT can also result in cost savings for organizations by reducing energy consumption and extending the lifespan of hardware and software. Let's say, for example, if you are using a laptop or desktop for 2 years and you feel like you need to bring a new laptop or desktop for whatever reason. Instead of buying a laptop or desktop, what you can do is, if you have a capability or chance to update the software or the hardware instead of buying a new device, it can save a lot of money for the organizations. And the third benefit is improve sustainability. Green IT practices promote sustainability by reducing the environmental impact of organizations and promoting the use of sustainable technologies. So green IT, it really helps to reduce environmental impact of organizations, and it promotes the use of sustainable technologies. With the help of sustainable technologies, all organizations can use the devices or the software which can really help the environment without harming the environment in a negative way. So these are sustainable technologies. So these are some importance, these are some benefits of using green IT. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.